Narrator, in today's digital world, opportunities abound to make money online. Let's dive into 10 profitable niches. 1. E-commerce. Open your online store, selling products or using dropshipping for a diverse inventory. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. 3. Blogging. Monetize your passions through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing on your blog. 4. Online courses. Share your expertise by creating and selling courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 5. Freelancing. Leverage your skills as a freelancer, be it writing, design, development, or more. 6. Virtual assistant. Provide remote administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. 7. Content creation. Craft and sell digital content, such as ebooks, stock photos, or music. 8. Social media management. Boost online presence by managing social media accounts for clients. 9. Consulting/coaching. Offer online coaching or consulting services in your area of expertise. 10. Dropshipping. Set up an e-commerce store without inventory hassles, sourcing products from third-party suppliers. Narrator, choose a niche aligned with your passion and skills, and embark on your journey to online financial success today.